Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Now, let's talk about the 2026 Scania Motorhome's outside forecasts. A premium motorhome constructed on a Scania truck chassis is most likely what is meant by the term Scania Motorhome. It will make use of the most recent, aerodynamic, and contemporary Scania truck cabin design, maybe from the Scania Next Generation series. It has an eye-catching headlamp design, a robust grille, and efficient body lines. To make the most of the internal space, the driver's cabin will be attached to the boxy RV body at the back. However, for a more aesthetically pleasing appearance, the design will blend in perfectly with the truck's interior. Being a luxury RV that is built on a truck, it will probably be rather huge and have lots of living space. Utilizing contemporary LED lighting technology to provide a classy appearance and maximum visibility. It will probably have the distinctive light design of Scania. A signature will be the Scania front grille with its recognizable emblem. Chrome or other high-end materials might be used to the design to further accentuate the opulent vibe. For optimal natural light and a broad perspective, it will include huge windows on the sides of the body. On top, there will probably be a panoramic window. Given that Scania is renowned for producing high-quality commercial vehicles and emphasizing longevity and functionality, a Scania-based motorhome's interior would probably have such features along with luxuries and comforts for extended trips. Give top priority to an ergonomic, accessible, and useful arrangement, particularly in the driver's area. Considering that it may be used in a variety of travel situations, choose materials that are robust, long-lasting, and simple to clean, putting a focus on driver and passenger comfort on lengthy trips. Perhaps providing modular and adaptable layout choices to satisfy different user requirements and tastes. Diesel engines from Scania are renowned for their strength and dependability. These are a few potential engine choices for the Scania Motorhome in 2026. A variety of inline-six diesel engines with varying capacities and power outputs are available from Scania. Depending on the size and requirements of the vehicle, motorhomes will probably employ one of these variations, with power estimates varying from about 360 horsepower to 550 horsepower. These engines also generate a lot of torque, which is crucial for transporting massive objects. A V8 diesel engine is another option available from Scania for more opulent and potent motorhome versions. Even in difficult road conditions, this engine performs better because to its higher power, which ranges from about 500 horsepower to 770 horsepower, and extremely high torque.